In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to select and delete multiple worksheets in Excel. If you're cleaning up a workbook and want to remove several sheets at once, doing it one by one can be tedious. I'll show you exactly how to select the sheets you want, either scattered throughout the workbook or grouped together, and then delete them in a single action. We'll keep it simple and precise so you feel confident before you confirm that final deletion. First, let's talk about selecting specific, non-adjacent sheets. If the sheets you want to remove aren't next to each other, hold down the Ctrl key on your keyboard and, while keeping it pressed, click each tab you intend to delete. Each tab you click will become highlighted, indicating it's selected. Take your time with this step. If you accidentally select a tab you didn't mean to include, keep holding Ctrl and click it again to deselect. Before moving on, glance across the bottom to confirm only the tabs you truly want to remove are highlighted. Now, if you're deleting a continuous block of sheets that sit side by side, there's a faster way. Click the first tab in the range to select it. Then hold down the Shift key and click the last tab in the range. Excel will highlight the first, the last, and every tab in between. This is perfect for removing a whole sequence of sheets without clicking them one at a time. Again, pause for a moment and verify that the highlighted span matches exactly what you plan to delete. Once your selection looks correct, whether you used Control for specific sheets or Shift for a range, right-click on any one of the highlighted tabs. From the context menu that appears, choose Delete. Excel will display a warning box asking you to confirm. This is there to help prevent accidental data loss. When you're sure, click OK. All of the highlighted sheets will be deleted at once. A few quick tips before you finish. Remember that deleting sheets removes the entire sheet and its contents, not just the data on the active cell. In many cases, this action cannot be undone, so that confirmation box is your final checkpoint. Double-check the highlighted tabs and, if you're working with important information, consider reviewing the workbook to ensure you won't need those sheets later. That's it. Select with Control for specific sheets, Shift for a range, right-click any highlighted tab, choose Delete, and confirm with OK. You've just cleaned up your workbook efficiently and safely.